Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Learn. So, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and also click the bell icon. So, today we are going to start with a new series that is Let Your Topic Be the Next Video. So, in this video, we'll be discussing about FDI, FPI, and FII. Okay, so foreign direct investment, foreign portfolio investment, and foreign institutional investment. These are the three topics which are most confusing to most of the commerce students. So, let's start the video. Foreign direct investment. So, what is foreign direct investment? In simple words, we can say that if one company, okay, we can take the example India. Okay, if one company in India is going and investing in another country with other company in that country, then we can say it is a foreign direct investment. Okay, uh, so foreign direct investment are investment made by one company into another company in another country. Okay, so as we all know, FDI plays an important role in the economic development of a country. How? The capital inflow of foreign investors allows strengthening the infrastructure, increasing productivity, and creating employment opportunities in our country. Okay, uh, there is one more important point in foreign direct investment. It is that when a company goes and invests in another company which is in another country, they will be getting both management right and also their ownership. Okay, foreign direct investment can be horizontal, vertical, or conglomerate. So we can see each one of them. So first we can see what is meant by horizontal type of FDI. Okay, Nike is an American sportswear company. Okay, so Nike is going and investing in Puma. Okay, then Puma is a German company, but both are producing the same product. That is, both are concentrating on sportswear. Okay, so when similar type of companies come together in for a joint venture or starting a new company or for a strategic alliance, then we can say that it is a horizontal foreign direct investment. Okay, I'll tell once more. That is, American Nike is an American sportswear company and Puma is a German sportswear company. Okay, both are focusing on the same type of product. Okay, so when an American company goes and collab with the German company, either by starting a new company or with the help of joint venture or a strategic alliance, it is known as horizontal foreign direct investment. Okay, next, we can take the example of vertical direct investment. So, what is vertical direct investment? Hershey's. Hershey's is a German company and they are coming in collab with the American company which is producing cocoa powder. Okay, so it is a chocolate producing company and they need cocoa powder as their raw material and chocolates as a raw material. So, for that, they are collabing with an American company. So, a backward type of collab or a forward type of collab. This is known as what foreign vertical foreign direct investment. Okay, so this is an example of vertical foreign direct investment. Then the third one is conglomerate. Conglomerate foreign direct investment occurs when two companies which are not of a similar marketing line or similar product line comes together. Okay, for example, we can take Dairy Milk, Cadbury is a UK company and BMW is a German company. So these both are producing two different items. One is a chocolate producing and the next one is an automobile company. So two different companies are coming together for a strategic alliance or for producing a new product, then it is known as conglomerate FDI. Okay, so foreign direct investment occurs when one company from one country goes and invest in other company in another country. Okay, so that is American company will be investing in a German company or a German company investing in American company. These are known as foreign direct investment. And horizontal foreign direct investment occurs when they are both are of the same production line, and if they are of a vertical type of production line, it is known as vertical foreign direct investment. And when the production line is two different production line, then it is known as conglomerate foreign direct investment. Okay. So the next one is foreign portfolio investment. So what is foreign portfolio investment? Foreign portfolio investment consists of securities and other financial assets held by investors in another country. Okay. So for example, an Indian company is going and investing in shares, debentures or bonds of other company which is situated in another country, then it is known as foreign portfolio investment. And the important point is that in foreign portfolio investment, only ownership will be transferred. Okay, so if a company is investing in another company, they will be getting an ownership right, but not a right in their management activities. Okay, there is a major difference between FPI and FDI. In foreign direct investment, we will get ownership as well as management right. Okay, we can take the management decisions also if you are investing in foreign direct investment. But in case of foreign portfolio investment, we are only investing in the company's shares, debentures, such securities. So we don't get the management right, we only get the ownership right. Okay, and this foreign portfolio investment is regulated by SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India in India. Okay, so this is about foreign portfolio investment. So the next one is foreign institutional investment. Foreign institutional investors are those institutional investors which invest in assets belonging to a different country other than that where these organizations are based. Okay, so by this you won't be understanding. In simple words, we can say that a group of investors, okay, a group of investors will be pooling in a institution, financial institution, and that financial institution will be what investing in another country. Okay, so for example we can take the example of LIC. Okay, so word LIC is a financial institution, okay, in which there are many investors who have invested in LIC. And when LIC goes and invest in any company outside India, okay, in their shares, debentures, etc., then it is known as foreign institutional investment. Okay. Similarly, if an American company similar to LIC, an American financial institution comes to India and invest in shares, debentures, and securities in Indian companies, then we say that it is a foreign institutional investment. Okay, so foreign institutional investment is similar to foreign portfolio investment. As in foreign portfolio investment, a single company will be going and investing in the securities such as shares, debentures. But in foreign institutional investment, it is a group of investors or a financial institution with a group of investors will be going and investing. Okay, so institutional investors include insurance companies, pension fund, mutual fund, etc. And investment securities are like real property and other investment in asset by one country in another country. So here as it is given, for example, there are mutual funds in India which invest in United States stock market. Similarly, there are individuals in United States who invest in emerging market fund. Okay, so this is about foreign institutional investment. So when we can simply say that when a mutual fund from United States or any other country buys shares of Reliance, HDFC Bank or any other company in India, that will be considering as an investment from foreign institutional investor, uh, by India. Okay, so this is about foreign institutional investment. So foreign direct investment is when a company directly goes and invest in another country and they will be getting ownership as well as the management decision right. This will be like through joint ventures or strategic alliance or by uh, starting a new company. Okay, the second one is foreign portfolio investment, in which our company will be going and investing in the securities of other company in another country. That is, they will be investing in shares, bonds, or debentures. Okay, and the third one is foreign institutional investment, where a financial institution will be investing in the securities of another country. Okay, so these are the three terms: foreign direct investment, foreign institutional investment, and foreign portfolio investment. I hope it is clear to everyone. So today's big shout out goes to Divya Sri because Divya suggested this topic FDI, FPI, and FII. So thank you so much, Divya, and a big shout out for Divya. So you all too can participate in this series by just commenting down the topics you want to watch as a video in the comment section below. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share with all the commerce students you know, share with your friends, families, and all the commerce students you know, and subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to get the latest notification. And also give your feedbacks in the comment section below. And also, I'm waiting for the new topics which you are going to suggest for the next video. So, for more commerce related topic, keep watching Let's Learn. Thank you.